Suddeds.
Wow,
Good morning, everyone.
We're in Breckenridge. It's snowing.
Really?
Oh wow, this is just nuts up here.
We is going snowboarding today with the ladies as well.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
It's cool because I can see you in the rearview mirror, so I can like see what I'm filming. Anyways, we're getting food.
Thank you.
Food.
Paninis.
Everybody got paninis. So good. Now let's try. That is epic.
I'm so doing that with my workout. Okay. It's the best.
Yeah. That's so cool. We're at the city market getting some snacks, but I just wanted to point out that here it is so easy to save. You just do it. All right.
Do you want to order some groceries, guys?
It's a deli.
That's
Step
okay.
1, order groceries.
You broke it. We made it to the house we're staying at for the night.
Aaron and his minions have been here for a few days,
Yeah.
so it's a little out of
I
the
mean,
ordinary.
how dare they use the dishes? Just
Let's just take a quick peek at some of the snacks they brought.
Frosted Flakes, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, an entire baguette,
Pancakes, Doritos, Cheetos.
yum.
My favorite of the choices.
Just tons of mayo.
You can put mayo on anything. It's so good.
What is this? Those actually sound kind of good. Oh, but hey, Mary made a chicken noodle soup recipe, which is cooking for dinner. But we're just looking at it. Now here's the tour guide.
This is a living room area. With
Wow,
Mary and Brittany.
not included.
Starring, yeah, not included. Our new snowboard suits.
Are we gonna try nightboarding tonight?
Oh yeah, we'll show you tonight, guys.
Oh, okay.
So 1 bedroom.
This is where the minions are sleeping, aka Aaron and Nick. And the next room, oh, washer dryer. This is a fun like sleepover room.
I want to sleep in here.
Wow,
Not bad, I'd say.
not bad. If you look outside, you can tell it's a little cold and snowy, but we're gonna go out there in just a sec.
Yeah, because Brittany hasn't gotten her snowboard helmet yet, and we saw a sign that said snowboard helmets 50% off.
Yeah, Mary doesn't have a helmet either, so we have to go get her one.
Oh, I forgot she didn't have one. Sweet. Well, let's go, guys.
But first, we have a cool snack I'm gonna show you.
Oh, wasabi beans.
Ow. Huh?
What?
Those do not look like beans. They look like chips.
Well, they're beans. Mary got them for us because they're expired.
Yay!
They expired in February.
They're probably still good.
I hope.
The longer,
It just says Best Buy. It doesn't say that.
yeah, that's important. But the longer they're expired, the more the wasabi kicks in. Right?
I guess.
Yes. Yep. You have to do that. Oh, I wanted some.
Oh.
Is it hot?
Is that a really good snack?
If you like wasabi, I taste it. It's not as spicy as the sauce, though.
Well, I hope not.
You try.
Dude, this has 7 grams of protein.
I taste no peanut, pure wasabi.
Because it's not a peanut, it's a bean.
Oh. There you go. And 3 grams of fiber.
Aww.
Stop laughing at me. Oh, ooh, that was a big bite.
Is it spicy?
Yeah. Oh, my eyes are watering.
Oh, dude, you shouldn't have done that.
No soy and gluten-free.
Wow. Non-GMO, folks.
Dude, mesquite barbecue would probably be good, but these wasabi, like, why?
R2D2. Well, see ya. Sale, helmets, 50% off. Yes. That were there. The ladies got their helmets. They are protected now. Wow. Wow. We're just kind of shopping around, I guess. Yeah.
Christmas ornaments.
This is a Christmas ornament?
Or a friend.
This is a really cool friend. His name is Albert. Ouch.
Hey, my shoes are so slippery.
Wow.
Was it
What does that smell, by the way? Oh, crepes.
Strawberry shortcake.
Oh, yay. And Nutella crepe.
Wait, is that a crepe? Or
Nutella crepe.
it has angel food cake.
I don't know.
Or you can
A
just
s'mores
make
crepe.
a fruit crepe.
Wow.
Yeah, how was that?
We're just waiting in line at crepes.
Oh, crepe.
Crepe.
Wait, look at me. No, he touched the actual room.
Don't do that.
Don't do that if you were wondering. How did you
This
get your
is
finger
really
that far?
warm, though.
Yes.
Oh.
Is it hot?
You try it.
It's not hot like that.
Feels good when you're close, but.
Yeah, and they've got a Nutella on their own ticket too. So get that.
Wow.
That's funny.
Justin?
Yeah.
Nutella.
Thanks.
No problem.
That looks kind of good.
Kind of good.
That's not making my mind. What's going on?
Thank you.
Have a good one, guys.
See ya. This way. Right now we're getting ready to go night boarding because Keystone has runs that are with lights on them. So we're gonna try it out. And this is what we're wearing. See, I have it on my shoulder. You can't really see what it is yet, but here we go. Da, 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 da.
Onesie suits, guys.
What?
This is from the website tipsyelves.com. This company sent these
Elves.
to us. And these are like literally the coolest snowboarding suits, skiing suits I've ever seen. And I was like, I have to work with you. We have to work with you guys. And so they sent us these.
Yeah, so we got this one. I'm not wearing it yet because I don't want to sweat in the car, but it's like a USA man
In the back.
with the Eddie the Eagle in the back.
And honestly, these aren't really that expensive if you haven't bought snowboard gear yet. Because it's like pants and a jacket combined.
Yeah, so it'd be like the same price.
We'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check them out. We definitely recommend. Oh yeah, Aaron and Nick are here.
Give me one.
You want one?
Yeah, Tipsy Elves sent me one.
Which one?
Medium American.
You like that one?
That one or the other American one is super
You like
cool.
that one? Aaron, which one do you like?
Just any
You love them all?
large, please.
Oy. Oh, the suit, I literally feel like I'm glowing out in the white. In the snow, I mean. It's so cool. But yeah, we're at Keystone for some night boarding. And obviously it's not night. We have about an hour and a half until they close. And I don't even think it's going to get dark at all. It would be so fun to snowboard when it's like dark. Because they have lights here.
Now, before we go, Nick and Aaron were snowboarding today, and Nick took a face plant, so I want to show you his soon-to-be black eye. Ow.
Ah.
That's bad in the morning. Dude. Holy!
Am I bright or what?
Yeah! You're like glowing.
Oh, you should have worn my pink face mask. It would have gone well with it.
Dang it, guys. I don't know if you can see me right now, but my strap on the board came off on my bindings. So I I can't ride down. We just rode to the top of the gondola. We wanted to see if they maybe had some bolts. I have 2 bolts right here, but it's like it just had to fall off all of a sudden. So hopefully I can get some new bolts. So boarding tomorrow is fun.
Well, we're back at the car. We got 2 runs in, except you.
I explained a little bit on the GoPro, but no one could help me fix it. I checked the stores. We're gonna have to go back to another store tomorrow to see if we can find some bolts.
No.
Back home, and Mary made
We might need another
chicken noodle soup for everyone
one. There's more.
with familia
Try this.
while playing cards.
No, don't say that again.
When familia's fam.
These clocks are wrong
Why?
because it says 10:42 and it's actually 11:42. We just got done playing games for hours.
It was so fun.
But now it's time for bed, Kay.
Oh man.
Are you excited?
Yeah, it's gonna be really fun tomorrow. What?
Yeah, it is going to be really exciting. Boarding all day tomorrow. We'll get better snowboarding footage for you guys because, as you can tell, things happened and we didn't get to. My board thing broke. But tomorrow's vlog will have a lot of snowboarding episodes.
Justin has his GoPro and I have my GoPro. But again, I forgot my pole.
It's okay. It still looks good. You could get good footage.
I'm just pissed.
But I'm going to bed, so here's your camera.
What happened? My toothpaste exploded?
No. Oh yeah, here you go for snacks for tonight.
Oh, thank you. These are my protein cookies. Mega protein, by the way.
Good night, squad.
See you guys.
Explain? You're a cop, right? I'm an investigator.
Nice.
Whatever. What you say affects things and people.